Join me as I spend a day with Landon. We started out with swimming lessons, and he did really good. He blew bubbles. So after that was over, I was supposed to take him for a haircut. He is the sweetest baby. He goes in there. He's only 2. He goes in there, gets his hair cut, has his sucker, and man, he is just the cutest. That lady was amazed that he sat there like a big boy all by himself with his sucker. Not a peep was made, except he did tell her Griffin John. So that's how it turned out. He is just adorable. He was so good that I took him to the splash pad on the way home. We stopped off and got some nuggets and a milkshake and took him over to the park. All the kids were playing on the splash pad. He joined in and just had the time of his life. Just look at that smile. What a cute baby. This park is really nice. There's a lot of kids out there. The people from Gordon County Schools come out and gave them all lunch. So he played so hard that he had to have a little sustenance. Got him some chicken nuggets and a milkshake. And then it's right back at it. That diaper's getting a little full, so told him it's time to go. He wanted to climb up and slide one time, and that was it. Join us for more great content.